So good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the Expanded Food Nutrition Education Program. So today I am going to show you how to make mixed vegetables, Italian mixed vegetables. My name is Jessica Kearney. I am your Expanded Food Nutrition Education Program nutrition educator here in Franklin County, and today I am going to go ahead and get started to show you how to make those Italian mixed vegetables. Now this is where we are going to cut our veggies. So I have squash that's already been cut up in circles. I have a red pepper. So I'm going to ball my finger up. Make sure you wash your veggies before you begin to slice them. We're only going to use half. So I'm going to keep my finger in the bear claw. And I'm going to cut it into strips. While I'm doing this, I also have some olive oil that is preheating on the stove. So I have one red pepper, a half of one, and then I have another half of a yellow pepper. Keep in mind, I'm keeping my hands closed so that I won't cut my fingers. Oil heated. I have zucchini. I have a half of a yellow pepper, a half of a red pepper. I have squash, and I also have Parmesan cheese. This is 1/4 cup, and this is low-fat Italian dressing. This is also 1/4 cup. Remember, when using knives, you want to make sure that you have a parent that'll help you cut them. And also remember to curl your fingers so that you will not cut the tips of your fingers. So keep them curled while you're holding on to your veggies. I'm going to go ahead and add in the pepper. We're going to let this saute for about 7 more minutes. And then we're going to add our grated Parmesan cheese and our Italian dressing to make it the Italian mixed vegetables. This is a recipe where you also can add garlic powder, paprika, or some sea salt if you would like for additional seasoning. That cooks for about finished product. You can enjoy this with a chicken breast or maybe some cube steak. And also remember to stay hydrated with a glass of cold water. Thank you so much for joining me and preparing our Italian mixed vegetables today. I appreciate you guys so much.